Think about your best friend, a neighbour, a cousin, a classmate, even a pet. Whether your pal has a friendly face or long whiskers, every friendship helps us laugh, smile, and even grow. But how do you make a new friend? In this video, we're going to talk about the 5 steps for making a new friend. Making a new friend might make you feel a bit nervous. Do you say hi or hello? Do you wave or give a thumbs up? Do you ask questions? Or... okay, even I'm getting nervous. The best way to overcome that nervous feeling when we first meet someone is to practice. It's just like riding a bike. The more you practice, the easier it feels. You can think of this video as the bicycle of friendship. Maybe I need some practice too. Let's get started. Step 1. Show interest. When you first meet someone, be friendly. Smile, make eye contact, and share your name. Then ask a question to learn more about them.
Hi, my name is Sophia.
Hi, Sophia. I'm Desmond. Do you like to play video games?
Yeah, video games are my favorite.
Take a moment and think of a fun question you could ask someone. Maybe it's their favourite food or hobby. Turn to the person next to you and take turns asking them one of your best questions. Remember what your partner answered. Step 2. Be curious. Every person has unique stories, talents, and interests to share. Ask thoughtful follow-up questions and pay attention to your new friend's words and body language.
I love playing video games. My favorite one is called Minecraft.
I haven't played that game before. How do you play?
Think about how your partner answered your question. How can you be curious about their replies? Maybe ask them why that is their favourite thing, or what's their favourite memory of it. Now take turns asking a question about what they shared and practice your listening skills. Step 3. Find connections. Research shows that we like people who are similar to us. It can be easy to get along with someone who shares your interests, hobbies, or sense of humour. If you notice a similarity with a new friend, let them know.
Minecraft is pretty cool. You can build anything you want. I just finished making a giant park for dogs.
Oh, wow. I like using Roblox to create my own games. I love being creative too.
Speed round. Turn back to your partner and fire off topics until you find something you have in common. Examples: board games, sports, favourite school subjects, animals, colours, hobbies, foods, movies. Step 4. Discover differences. Friends can help us learn something new. Celebrate your differences and what makes each of you unique.
It sounds like you really love dogs. If you built a whole park for them.
I love dogs. I want 100 dogs when I grow up.
I'm kind of scared of dogs, so 100 is a little too many for me. But I have a pet lizard named Gizmo. If we take good care of him, he's supposed to live for 25 years.
Wow, I didn't know lizards lived that long.
Ask your partner to describe a holiday, festival, or tradition that is special to them. Step 5. Practice kindness. Try saying something kind to your new friend. A thoughtful compliment can help your new friendship grow.
I'd love to play one of the Roblox games you created. I bet they're really fun.
Thanks, they are. I'll send you one to play.
Think about what your partner has shared so far. Now, what is something kind that you can say or do for them based on what you learned in the first 4 steps? That's it! You just learned the 5 steps for making a new friend. You're pretty much a professional friend maker, if that job existed. Let's recap what you learned. 1. Show interest. 2. Be curious. 3. Find connections. 4. Discover differences. 5. Practice kindness. That's all from me. You've got the tools, now you just need to put them to work. Have fun making new friends. Oh, and if you meet anyone who's interested in board games and voiceover acting, let me know. Narrators need friends too.